In the quiet hours before the world wakes up, before emails start flying, before phones ring, before closing tables are set, I'm in my kitchen making poppy seed bread. But it's never just bread. It's the anxiety of wanting everything to go right, the weight of protecting both sides, the frustration when things don't line up, the dreams of everyone walking away whole. Being on your game in real estate isn't loud. It's early mornings, it's heartbeats when you can feel in your ears. It's conversations with builders, HOAs, attorneys, titles, lenders, other agents, buyers, sellers. This closing, it had layers. Oh, did it? A water transfer that never happened, an HOA misunderstanding, a builder disconnected, a buyer moving to a new state, a water department that couldn't even explain who had been paying the bill for 24 months. Interior water wasn't covered, only irrigation and common areas. No account history, no clear answers, just a lot of we don't know. So we called, we double checked, we looped in attorneys, involved underwriting. We created an escrow addendum before closing that if a back bill appeared, the buyers and sellers would be protected. Every party agreed, every detail addressed, every loose end tied. Just like the rhythm of my mixer pulling ingredients together. Real estate is never just contracts. It's protection, prevention, peace of mind, and yes, emotion. While spraying the pans, I was thinking, did I cover everything? Did I protect them fully? Did I advocate hard enough? In the glaze. I waited too long, the bread cooled too much, and instead of this perfect drizzle, it looks more like frosting. Not what I imagined, not what I wanted. But here's the thing, it was still made with intention, still made with care, still shared from the heart. There's only one closing day. You don't get a redo. You show up, you celebrate. So I shared the bread with the attorney, the lender, the buyer's agent, my seller. Signed, accepted, closed. And just before we walked out, one final phone call. Yes, the water department is sending a back usage bill. And yes, the funds are in escrow. The buyers start with a clean slate. That's what beyond looks like. I am a referral only agent. Not because I market harder, not because I care deeper. You never see the behind scenes chaos. Clients deserve privacy. But know this, there are early mornings. There are heavy thoughts. There are moments where everything feels like it rests on your shoulders. There is always heart. The bread, it might not have glazed perfectly, but the closing did.